In this video, we will be discussing managing and organizing extensions inside of your Airtable base. So as you know, we have the extensions pane on the right, which is going to show you all the extensions within your base. So on this top left panel, you'll see that you can actually have different dashboards, which allow you to have different pages of extensions for different use cases. So for example, if you wanted a dashboard for analytics, you'd probably put your charts and your pivot tables on that dashboard. While if you had a dashboard for project planning, you'd probably put your Gantt charts, your timeline on those types of dashboards. So it just allows you to segment out your extensions a little bit more cleanly. So in terms of just viewing these, you can expand these to be full screen, and you'll have the option to sort of change the different settings, reload the extension, duplicate it, move it to a different dashboard just by clicking this upper left hand text. You can do the same thing when it's in the non-expanded view. You can also change how much space this pane takes up altogether on your screen, but just by dragging those three dots. I think it can only go to about maybe 40% of the screen width. But if you need to see more, you can actually make it completely full screen by clicking that full screen button. So let's exit out of here. You can also resize these extensions and rearrange them. So simply by dragging these dots on the right hand corner, you can rearrange where on the dashboard your extension goes, and you can rearrange how much space it takes up vertically just by dragging that bottom right hand corner of the extension and moving it to the length that you prefer. So the last useful tip would be you can also rename all these dashboards or dashboards and extensions to be a little more descriptive to what you care about, again by clicking on that name and renaming the extension. Again, you have a lot of different options here in terms of configuring the extension, but you can do the same thing for blocks or for these dashboards as well, just by clicking these three dots on the top right and renaming there. So you also have the ability to delete them from that same menu as well, and you can manage all of your extensions at once by opening that dashboard pane and clicking manage extensions, and then you can see all of the extensions within your base, as well as what dashboard they're on, who they're added by, when they were added, and whether or not they are enabled. So this is particularly useful if you have a limit on the number of extensions you can add to your base based on your plan. You can manage them all from one place right here nice and easily. You can also delete them, move them, disable them, like I mentioned, rename, so on and so forth from this menu, as well as add new extensions from here as well. So that is how to manage and organize extensions in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.